Hello everyone, I am going to explain question number 23rd and question number 24th from exercise 3.3 of 11th class maths. So in this question number 23rd, the question is we have to prove tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x bracket 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan to the power 4x. So here students just concentrate on the angles. Here the angles are in left hand side the angle is 4x, but in right hand side the angles are only x. Means they had simplified this 4x. So we should also, so now we have to concentrate on the formulas, that which formulas we know. So students, I already gave some notes for the formulas. Here I am writing one formula. That which formula I am going to use here. I am going to use the formula of tan 2a, that is 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. So this formula I am going to use in this complete question, and so here what's the formula is tan 2 multiplied by a. So 2 multiplied by a. So here the angle should come in the multiple, so 2. That's why the left hand side, we first will write down also only left hand side. On solving left hand side, we get what is our left hand side? First we'll write down that left hand side is tan 4x. So this tan 4x first we'll split as tan 2 multiplied by 2x. So students, this complete 2x will behave as a. So it came in the form of tan 2a. So what is a here? 2x. So in the formula, wherever a is there, we'll write down here 2x, because a we selected as 2x. So in the formula, we'll substitute the value. So that will give us 2 tan 2x, then 1 minus tan square 2x. Now further here we have, because first we had the 4x. Now after using this formula, from 4x we reached up to the 2x. But in your right hand side you can see the angles are only x, not 2x. Conclusion is again we have to use the formula. So here also you have to use the formula. In tan 2x also use the formula, and here also use the formula. So students, when we use the formula, this 2 will come as it is. Then here use the tan 2x formula again, the same formula here. So what is a this time? This time the a is only x. So when we use the formula, it is going to be 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. So here instead of tan 2x, we had used this formula, and instead of a, what we have this time? We have only x. So wherever a we had here, I used x. Now in down also, this 1 minus will keep as it is. So 1 minus as it is, and instead of this tan 2x, again we use the formula. So it's going to be 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x, then bracket close, and since this square is there, so this square will come as 4 square here. Now we have to simplify this fraction. So when we simplify here, first we have to take the LCM here, then this numerator as it is and the reciprocal of the denominator. So before that, I am going to take the LCM in the denominator, so I am keeping the numerator as it is. So it's going to be, when I open here, this 2 and 2 will multiply, it's going to be 4 tan x divided by, I am writing here bracket, 1 minus tan square x. So numerator as it is, only one change I had done, I multiplied this 2 by 2. Now in denominator I am going to take the LCM. So when we take the LCM in the denominator, here nothing is there, so the LCM is going to be the same bracket but with 4 square. So it is going to be 1 minus tan square x whole square will come the LCM, and because of LCM here again this 1 minus 10 square x whole square will come, and in the numerator here, because when we will take the LCM and when we will open the bracket, we will get here 2 10x whole square as it is. Now in the next step, here what I'm doing is the numerator fraction I'm going to keep as it is, and denominator fraction I will do the reciprocal, as well as I am going to open both the brackets. So first I am writing this fraction as it is, so it's going to be 4 10x divided by bracket 1 minus 10 square x, then multiplied by, now we have to do the reciprocal of this. Along that we are going to open this bracket also. So for when we do the reciprocal, this will shift in the numerator. So 1 minus 10 square x whole square, and when we will open the bracket, it is going to be, when we will open the bracket, we have to use the formula a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. In that, while using this formula, we will obtain a square as 1 square, b square as 10 square x whole square, that will give you 10 4x, and instead of minus 2ab, when we will put minus 2ab values here, you will get 2 10 square x. So I had opened this bracket here. Now we have to open this also. So when we will open here, we will obtain 2 to the 4, because we are doing the square. So 4 10 square x, and big bracket close. Now here this bracket and this 2 will cancel each other. So we are going to remain with 4 10x and only with one bracket 1 minus 10 square x, because this bracket and this bracket were cancelled. And in the numerator we are remain with 1 plus 4 10 1 plus 10 to the power 4x as it is, because they are not we don't have any ratio with power 4. So this will come as it is, 1 plus 10 4x as it is, and here they are same, so they will get add, we will get here minus 6. So minus 6 10 square x, and I think this is our right hand side. See our right hand side. So we achieved our right hand side. So we will write here which is equal to right hand side. So we will write down here left hand side is equal to right hand side. So students, this question is not so tough. What we had done is simply we had used the formula of 10 to a once here and second time again here, and after using the formula simply LCM and reciprocal of the denominator fraction we had done, and while open the bracket take care of the formula of a minus b whole square, and you will get your answer. I hope this question is clear. Now we will